Hi there, alright, I'm John. Thanks for tuning in to JWNet. Alright, I've just reached home. I'm going to cook dinner right now. What I'm going to cook right away will be basil chicken, right, which is a signature dish that I've come up with at the cafe. Alright, simply using basil pesto, chicken thigh, and some sides. For this case, I'm going to use cherry tomato and also Brussels sprout. Alright, I'm sure you like it. Okay, this is the ingredient I'm going to use for today. Of course, besides this, I've got the freshly baked artisan bread that I've done just now over the glass. Okay, and to start off with, I'm going to say the first thing will be the basil pesto that I bought from the supermarket. Alright, and cherry tomato, alright, Brussels sprout, and chicken thigh. This 3 items is just £1 each, and this one is about £2, 2.8 pounds. So simply said, I think it's gonna be about I can cook this for 2 times, all right, and it's gonna be about 2 over pound for this meal. Okay, let's marinate the chicken first. One, two. Again, I'm going to use just the jam knife. Alright, it's a bit more difficult, but anyway, it still can be done. Alright, there you go. This is the basil pesto. Alright, put them all over it. The really nice smell, aroma, everything is good here. Okay, put a bit more. Keep it aside for a couple of minutes. Alright, maybe I would say just about 5 minutes. Alright, I think it's fine. So I'm coming back in a while. Alright, next I'm gonna prepare the Brussels sprout and the cherry tomato. Okay, I'm going to cut this in half. Alright, so it depends on how many you want to put. Alright, maybe I'll just put 4. Okay, 1 meal. Alright, and cherry tomato, another 4 of it. Well, juicy. I'm just going to put some butter and a bit of salt, alright, for seasoning. Alright, so it's for my case, I'm just taking 5 minutes to marinate the chicken. Alright, and we just pop straight away in the microwave oven. Alright, look at that. Okay, close it. Alright, I'm going to set 8 minutes. Okay, then we see how it goes from there. Okay, it's about to complete the microwaving. Alright, just give me a few more seconds. There you go. Okay, look at this. Alright, I just put this aside first. Next will be, alright, the sides. I'm going to put it in, and we're going to just microwave for 5 minutes. Maybe 4 minutes. Okay, I'll just change to 4 minutes, and then we see how it goes. Okay, it's going to be ready for the sides. Alright. Alright, take a look. It's really very nice. Alright, I'm going to put them into the plate. And at the same time, I'm going to just toast the sourdough bread. So you can see everything is done. I think it's within about 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to do the plating right now. All right. Okay, it's very simple. All right, just put this inside. Look at the color. It is fantastic. Alright. Next will be bread. And the butter. So you can see everything's so easy. Alright. This is what I've come up with. It's basil chicken. Right, hope you like it. You can put a bit of a seasoning, alright, like the salt or the pepper, but I don't think you really need it. Okay, I'm gonna try it right now. Look at the chicken, alright. It's really very good. Okay, I'm bluffing you. And Brussels sprout. And the sourdough bread. You can even put a bit of the basil pesto on the bread. Yummy. Alright, that's all. Alright, I'll leave the rest for your imagination. Alright, thanks for tuning in again. Alright, see you.